Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Uh, Hello everyone. My name is Sultan Zulikrom, and I'm an information system student. This video is a submission for my mobile programming practicum. Uh, Assignment. Uh, the assignment has two parts. First, to explain some theory about Flutter. Second, to code a login back UI based on these requirements. Uh, The key requirements are to build a login form with a logo, text files, and a button. The program must use a stateless widget. The password file must use absurd text, and I must add my name and my below the button. The final video must be at least 8 minutes long. Okay. Loading. I'm opening theory first. Okay. So before we look at the code, let's quickly cover the theory part of the report. Question 1. What are stateless widget and stateful widget? A stateless widget is a static or dumb widget. It's like a picture once it's built. It doesn't change. It's immutable. A stateful widget is dynamic. It has an internal state or memory. It can change and redraw itself when a user interacts with it. For example, when you type in a text field. Question 2, their characteristic and when to use them. In here. Use a stateless widget for any UI that doesn't change, like an icon, a static text label, or the page we are building today, which is just static text label, or the page we're building today, which just a static layout. You use that full widget whenever you need to manage changing data, like a checkbox that can be ticked from that needs to remember user input, or a screen that loads data from the internet. And question 3, what is a widget in Flutter? In Flutter, everything is a widget. Widgets are the basic building blocks like Lego bricks. A text is a widget, a button is a widget, and even invisible things like column for layout or padding for spacing are also widget. You build or enter UI by combining these widgets. And question number 4, how to make a simple layout using column and row. For our login page, we use a column to stack all our widgets vertical, the logo, then text fields, and then the button one on top of the other. And question number 5, reload versus hot restore. Hot reload, it's the lightning bolt icon. It's super fast. Injects new code into the running app without losing the app state. It's perfect for fixing UI. Hot restart, the circular arrow restart the entire app. It's slower, and you lose all your app state. You use it when you change things that hot reload can handle, like a public CM file. Okay, and next the theory. Now let's walk through to the code for the login page. Okay. And first at the logo, I create an asset in here, folder in my project. Then I register this folder in the public YML, here, in here. Where? This file filter to include the image in the app in here, asset logo TPL and JPG. Okay, next. My main dart file is very simple. Main dart in here. It just run the app. I removed the debug banner and the home property calls our new page, which name login page dart. Login page dart. And I see two. This is the main file or assignment. Our assignment, as you can see, login page extend a stateless widget, which was the main recruitment. Inside build method, we return scaffold. I'm using AppBird to show login. Scaffold. You should to AppBird login in here. For the body, I used a sync the child scroll view. In here, single chain scroll view. To prevent errors when the keyboard appears, the main layout widget is column, which allow us to stack all our elements vertical. And text file, email, size box. Where logo. Kita mencari logonya. Body. In here. First, the loop logo, I use a sized box here to control the size, and inside it, I use image asset to call the logo file was registered in my public YAML. And in the text file, for the password, we haven't name in text file, ITPLN, ditulis bold. Haven't elevate button for the login button, and finally to meet the last requirement, I add a text widget right below the button with my name and name. This username, email, password, menggunakan observe text, size box, tombol login, watermark, in here, name, nama, sesuai instruksi, wajib memasukkan codingan untuk name, nama di bawah. Next. So right here, I will type my name, Sultan Nuzul Ikram 2023-32079, and that is okay. Now let's see the final result. I have run the application on my emulator. Luther run 2. Heck, what the heck is this, bro? Waiting. Connection from debug service on Chrome. Uh, let's share in here. Okay. As you can see, okay, now let's see the final result. I have run the application on my emulator, and as you can see, we have the login bar, we have the ETPLN logo, uh, we have a username, email, and password files, and I type in the password. You can see the text absurd just as required. Yeah. Private. Okay. And if the type in the password field you can the text absurd just the request. And finally the button below login you can see my name and my name in here. 2023-3019 Sultan Rizal Ikram. Okay. So we have successfully built the UI using a step-less widget and fulfilled all the assignment requirements. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.